Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to get more tokens on Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide, follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So here in Monopoly there are tokens for you to play with. Here's an example of how it looks like. Right now I have a penguin as my token, and as you can see I have 5 more tokens in my inventory, which is a ship. And we can also equip that right there. It's going to switch up. And kaboom, and here we also have my cat and my penguin and a dog. So we're just gonna go with the rubber ducky right here for a while. So here we can change our tokens, and to get more tokens, basically here is the fastest way is by inviting friends. So all you have to do is go to the bottom right corner of your screen. As you can see, there's friends stated right there. Then from there you're gonna press invite, and here as you can see, if you invite 10 friends you can get this special token, which is Mr. Monopoly itself for the game. And there's also other ways on collecting tokens in your Monopoly Go, just by going to your albums. And as you can see here, when you collect stickers for your album, you're able to get free tokens too. So as you can see here in this season, we have a hammer as a token if you complete all of the albums. As you can see, I have 157 out of 189 completed already, and I have 56 days and 10 hours left to just get this token right here. So basically that's just how you get more tokens on Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.